Welcome to our channel GK EduVision. If you are preparing for competitive exams like SSC, banking, railways, group exams, or any government job, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover 30 important general knowledge questions with multiple choice options that are very useful for exams. Watch till the end, test your knowledge, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for daily GK updates. Let's begin. 1. Who is the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. B. R. Ambedkar. D. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is option C. B. R. Ambedkar. 2. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Correct answer is option C. Jupiter. 3. What is the national bird of India? A. Peacock. B. Sparrow. C. Eagle. D. Parrot. Correct answer is option A. Peacock. 4. Which gas is used by plants for photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer is option C. Carbon dioxide. 5. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Sardar Patel. D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Correct answer is option B. Jawaharlal Nehru. 6. Which is the longest river in India? A. Yamuna. B. Godavari. C. Ganga. D. Brahmaputra. Correct answer is option C. Ganga. 7. What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai. B. Kolkata. C. New Delhi. D. Chennai. Correct answer is option C. New Delhi. 8. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Correct answer is option D. Vitamin D. 9. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Mercury. Correct answer is option B. Mars. 10. Who wrote the national anthem of India? A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is option B. Rabindranath Tagore. 11. Which is the smallest state in India by area? A. Goa. B. Sikkim. C. Tripura. D. Manipur. Correct answer is option A. Goa. 12. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Mercury. D. Silver. Correct answer is option C. Mercury. 13. Who discovered gravity? A. Galileo. B. Einstein. C. Newton. D. Darwin. Correct answer is option C. Newton. 14. Which ocean is the largest? A. Indian Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Pacific Ocean. Correct answer is option D. Pacific Ocean. 15. What is the currency of Japan? A. Yuan. B. Won. C. Yen. D. Dollar. Correct answer is option C. Yen. 16. Which country is called the land of the rising sun? A. China. B. Japan. C. Korea. D. Thailand. Correct answer is option B. Japan. 17. How many states are there in India? A. 27. B. 28. C. 29. D. 30. Correct answer is option B. 28. 18. Which organ purifies blood? A. Heart. B. Lungs. C. Kidney. D. Liver. Correct answer is option C. Kidney. 19. What is the national flower of India? A. Rose. B. Lotus. C. Lily. D. Jasmine. Correct answer is option B. Lotus. 20. Which is the highest mountain in the world? A. K2. B. Mount Everest. C. Kangchenjunga. D. Annapurna. Correct answer is option B. Mount Everest. 21. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Vikram Sarabhai. B. A. P. J. Abdul Kalam. C. Homi Bhabha. D. C. V. Raman. Correct answer is option B. APJ Abdul Kalam. 22. Which day is celebrated as World Environment Day? A. June 1st. B. June 3rd. C. June 5th. D. June 10th. Correct answer is option C. June 5th. 23. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Perth. Correct answer is option C. Canberra. 24. Which blood group is universal donor? A, B, B, C, A, B, D, O negative. Correct answer is option D, O negative. 25. Which continent has the most countries? A, Asia, B, Europe, C, Africa, D, America. Correct answer is option C, Africa. 26. Who invented the telephone? A, Thomas Edison, B, Alexander Graham Bell, C, Newton, D, Marconi. Correct answer is option B, Alexander Graham Bell. 27. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? A, Holi, B, Diwali, C, Dashehra, D, Pongal. Correct answer is option B, Diwali. 28. What is the national animal of India? A, lion, B, elephant, C, tiger, D, leopard. Correct answer is C, tiger. 29. Which gas is essential for breathing? A, carbon dioxide, B, nitrogen, C, oxygen, D, hydrogen. Correct answer is option C, oxygen. 30. Which sport has no officially declared national status in India? A, cricket, B, hockey, C, kabaddi, D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. That's all for today's GK session. How many questions did you get right? Comment your score below. For more important GK, MCQs, and exam-focused content, stay connected with EduVision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EduVision. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.